Here's the entrance to the beach and the pavilion. Come on, Trixie. Let's go. Trixie, come on. Alright. So there's where you go. Down to the beach. There. Here's the pavilion. And it's empty. No snack bar anymore. Alright, so let's go on over here. Alright. Trixie's trying to pull me around. Alright, stop, Trix. Alright. So there is Blood Mountain, and the rain is already falling. So the boat rentals, and there's somebody in kayaks. You see where the stream has been bringing sand in over there, further and further into the lake. Here comes the rain. We got to get back and open the truck. So there we go. Stop.